Hello everyone, I'm here at the intersection of Garrett Road and Chestnut Street in Upper Darby, a couple of blocks away from 69th Street, the main transport hub. The area has plenty of parking space and a lot of bar and restaurants. It's very convenient location. The parking lot you see across the street is for public parking. You could park there for a month under $100. And the building I would like to show you is this building, Minerva Court. Here to show you an apartment building on a second floor. It's a studio apartment. This is what the outside looks like. Very convenient location for public transport. You are only 3 blocks away from 69th Street, 69th Street station. This is the building. You have a gate. Going through the gate, we have this beautiful courtyard, very nice courtyard to have to come out and enjoy the breath of fresh air. Actually today is a beautiful day, so it's a nice day to be out. Nobody is here, but it's a nice space to have. There are multiple buildings here. After saying this about the common space, I will go upstairs to show you the unit. First, let's go downstairs and show you the laundry machines. The place has laundry machines. It's a dryer and washer. Here is your dryers. You got 4 dryer and 4 washing machine. It's coin operated. I mean, a card. You could use a card to pay for the laundry. It's you have to pay for the service. This is the basement for the laundry. I will go upstairs and show you what the unit looks like. Right here again, to show you a 2-bedroom unit in F building. It's a first floor unit. The unit number is 1F. I go through the first door. As I said, this is a courtyard, this beautiful courtyard. You go through, you need a key for the second one. And you have your mailboxes. I left the unit open for this video. This is very, very nice, beautiful 2-bedroom. As you walk in, you see this beautiful unit, living space, I'm sorry, with high ceiling, 2 nice window. You're looking out to this beautiful courtyard from your living room. Your kitchen is over there. As you could see, you have plenty of room in the kitchen. You could set a table here and use it as a breakfast area. In the kitchen, you have shelves here, cabinets, pantry, additional cabinets in there. You also have a door that leads you to the back of the building. You could just come in to your unit through this door if you like. Here you have a nice gas oven. It's a beautiful pantry here. Nice and new. You have your refrigerator here as well. It's a nice kitchen and living space. Then as you go into further, on your right hand side you have your first bedroom. This bedroom has 3 windows, 2 on this side, another one on this, view, beautiful view of the courtyard. Side of the building. Yeah, nice closet space. The opposite side of this bedroom, you have the other bedroom. You also have 2 windows here. This window is to the alleyway. Get a lot of natural light here. Beautiful, beautiful apartment. And the last place I would like to show you is your bathroom. Same as the other places. It's very nice bathroom. You have your sink, a medicine cabinet, a window for fresh air. You have nice bathtub, shower combo. You also have small storage cabinet next to the bathroom by the bedroom. This is what unit F101 looks like. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching. It's a 2-bedroom, very affordable unit with a central heat